Now, what's this?
I told you earlier that the whole planning concept was inspired na omogaka Sakawangiti. So we are trying to trace the periods when he was here, prophesying about Getembe.
Okay.
Na kibusi ya ekorekana. So it's like we are taking you back in time.
Okay.
One na chichinga kecha
Chaka.
Sakawa. That's where the journey started. Omogusii na bakamanyira ali. That is a pure Kisi homestead. Ebuli Omogusii. Ebuli. A Kisi man used to have 5 wives.
5 wives, yeah.
The biggest heart you seeing at the center, that is the first wife.
Okay.
At the center. Elders can explain better. The next one is the next wife. Nyamesancho. The next one is Visieri. Mata, you have another one, Visieri Mahati.
Okay.
Then we have Nyageita.
Nyageita on the other side.
Those are the 5.
So this is an entire homestead?
This is now the entire homestead, Omogusii, how it was.
Okay.
And the center, I mean, animals could graze there. Sometimes they can sleep there. But we have now converted that to be a performance area.
Performance area for cultural activities.
Cultural activities. Okay. Even a dance, modern performances. It can be done in that setting.
Okay. What is this white thing? Those white stones?
White stones, that is the soapstone from Tabaka.
Those are soapstones from Tabaka?
We have just converted them to be like the stools people can sit on during the performances. And because we have an attachment to the stone, if you look closely at them, each of them has like a carving on it. It has something. If you go near, if you zoom, you see every piece as an animal or some artwork on it. So we are also trying to extend the story of soapstone and culture into those stones.
So if someone comes to this facility here, this museum, can decide to go and sit there and still get services properly?
You can go there, get your services. You can see it is still under progress. We have done around 60%.
Oh, okay. There are things to be done.
We are going to have those huts properly finished with the walls.
Okay.
And we want some guests who want to experience the authentic Gusii culture to sleep there. Have the meals done traditionally. You have that experience for 1 or 2 nights before now you transition to this.
Nice.
So we want to move people back in time. And to experience that. Naoni chingeni chiasime kirwali chike Gusii. Ngombe itoka aliego kamwa. Mabera akamwa.
Kwaleteru.
Oroseri wecha egalia ngolia rosegu. You stay there and then in the evening dancers wacha gaiga. They entertain the guests there. So it will be an ecosystem of its own, apart from the hotel. And we have registered a CBO.
Okay.
Karukunga Kionganya Cultural Organization.
All right.
Now this will be the habitat. That's where they are going to be domiciled to practice all those cultural events and activities there.
Okay.
Yeah, so it is a wing of the hotel. And we feel like for us that is the most important part of this development.
It's important.
And then next you're seeing some construction going on. We are doing an amphitheater. In our conceptual design, we said we are tracing the journey of Omogusii from back those days to modernity. So that is like the transition.
All right. So
between the old and the new. From here now you go there. It will have techniques in construction borrowed from here and also from there.
All right.
To depict that transition. So that is where all performances, including it will be our conference center. It can be seminars, it can be watching soccer, it can be giving a talk or a lecture. All those things will happen there.
Function, musical talent.
All those things will happen there, and it's going to have a capacity of 250 people.
That's huge.
Eventually, when it's done, we'll do a connection to the main building, so that now the entire system works as one. So this was phase 1 of the project. That was phase 2, and that is the final phase.
Phase 3
of it.
Which is under progress.
Yeah.
Amazing. This is cool.
Yeah, so you can see again we have planted some traditional vegetables.
Sukuma wiki.
That is green pepper. This is mint.
Okay.
If you go to a bar, we don't buy mint from the shop.
Oh, okay. You get it from here.
You get it from here.
Oh, okay.
So they have done them round like that so that they can also be decorative features in the landscape.
Okay.
Not just doing a farm, because we also don't want to expose the entire soil. It is too slopey here.
Oh yeah, sure.
So a lot of soil can be taken by.
It is
so
true.
That's why we have tried to manage that and keep the grass. Yeah.
It's cool.
And then we are also planting a lot of indigenous trees.
Yeah.
If you look carefully, na bako romo so chogalia.
Omochi.
Miyogonero. You can see them.
I can see them.
Mirango itimbiralia.
Messinero.
Yeah. So we are trying as much as possible. Alia.
Sandal was in
Virina Yagana Matindogoro, this side.
And these are
passion fruit. This is another local fruit. I don't know what it's called, but it's in the family. Yeah.
Sandal.
Oh, nice. So that is the whole story of this place. You were here the other day, so we had some ceremony of training young boys. It happened behind here. And we want a lot of our cultural activities to happen in this place, including weddings, so that people can know how Omogusii lived.
But then someone can conduct a traditional wedding here.
Yeah, that's part of that's the whole thing. We want the traditional setup. Once it's complete, you'll see the brown earth walls, small windows up there. Maybe you get the girl from the house and bring him to the stage.
That is it.
And all those things.
Something smart. Very cool.
Yeah, so and the grass you're seeing is called ekenyaru. Luckily, we have tried to preserve a bit of it behind the gardens. It's growing there. So we'll just fence off that area because it's threatened. We feel like in the next 20 years, it will disappear. So we'll try and fence that area so that we can be getting this grass to maintain these buildings and for our people to know how that grass used to be.
Sure. Wow. This is amazing. How do you live with the neighbors here?
The community is a part of Humphreys.
Okay.
Very strong part of it. Since we started construction, 70% of our workers were from the local community.
Hapa?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We just brought in the experienced and the skilled labor from outside there. And they were part and parcel of the team that constructed the building. And at the end, what we decided to do was to retain some of them.
Oh, okay. They are working here now?
Yeah.
All right.
So some of those young men and women who were carrying stones and brick, we trained them.
Oh.
Now they are housekeepers, others are in security. Some others are even in service team.
Oh, okay.
They don't have a lot of, school education, but they have the passion. They are willing to learn. Okay. They have been integrated with the rest very well.
Okay.
So 50% of our staff are local people.
Wow.
They are local people.
So they own this facility?
So they own this place. The water we use is theirs.
Oh, yeah.
We have also tried to, like the power we brought, we are the people who brought power from very far. We have also tried to have some community people have access to the power.
So from the power you brought, people have been able to share across.
Exactly. And then our supplies, that includes vegetables and meats and chicken, free-range chicken. We get them from the local community.
Oh,
the little you have, you are allowed to bring in here, it's checked and you get paid. So in that way, our interaction with the immediate community is very strong.
That's true. It must be strong. With this kind of incorporation, it must be very strong. Yeah, this is amazing.
Yeah, so that is the impact we wanted to have. Hopefully it's going to impact the community positively.
It will.
And improve their livelihoods.
Wow. This is an amazing thing. I love it.